Okay, we're going to look at the next question, a cubic question in the 2020 November exam. And in calculus, it's this cubic question they've given us. And what are they saying? They're saying that this cubic function, which is going down bottom ways, I actually know that because of the shape of this, that a must be a negative number. They're giving us that. And we know that it passes through zero, that zero is one of the x-intercepts. And I can see that here. Okay, the y-intercept is equal to zero too. So the number added on, there is no number added on. So that's kind of making sense of it. And they've also said that the x value of this turning point, the local minimum here is -1, and the x value of the local maximum, see this 2 up here, this turning point is 2. Well, there's the thing explained. Let's try the first three questions. Okay. The first question is, for which values of x will this function g increase? Well, I got a couple of different ways of looking at it. I think I like to take this vertical line and pass it through. As I'm moving from left to right here, look at g's getting smaller and smaller and smaller. That's as small as it gets. And then it's getting bigger and bigger. It's increasing, and then it stops increasing right here. And it starts to decrease. Where the gradient is positive, in between -1 and 2, that's where it's increasing. And that's why that's the answer. Where does it increase? When x is less than 2, but greater than -1. I like this little vertical line. It helps me figure things out. Now, write down the x coordinate of the point of inflection of g. Well, the point of inflection is where it changes concavity from concave up, see, shaped like a cup, to concave down, shaped like a hat. Where does that change happen? Well, this is only a 2-mark question, so it's a bit of a hint that it's a very simple thing. All you have to do is know that it looks like it changes in the middle, and in fact it does. By symmetry, the point of inflection will be right in the middle of -1 and 2. So -1 plus 2 divided by 2 equals a half. That's the x value of the point of inflection, right there in the middle. Now let's see the next question. For which values will g be concave down? Well, we've already said that when x is a half, say right about there, when x is a half right here at that value of a half, that's the inflection point. Well, to the left, when x is less than a half, it's concave up. But they said for which values of x will g be concave down? It must be x is greater than a half. In fact, that's the answer. It's where x is greater than a half. Okay, those are the first three questions in this cubic function question. And I don't make the video too long, so I'll split it up a bit. But you can see the next video